All right, this is the Herman Miller Embody chair. It is shipped in the lowest position. And when you get your Herman Miller Embody chair, you may be surprised whenever you go to actuate it. And it doesn't raise up or down. Huh. That sucks. Such an expensive chair. Well, you're in luck because I know how to raise it. So what you're going to want to do is step on the base like so. And then when you pull up on this guy, at the same time, grab onto the base of the chair and lift it up. So let's see if I can prop this thing up and give this a go. Okay, let's see. Okay, stand on the base. Act like you're going to actuate it in the first place and then lift. Okay, you might have to do a few rounds of that, but there it goes. Embody chair is now working as it should have been from the get-go.